Hello ladies and gentlemen, quick side note. One of the tools you'll need to remove your air conditioning fittings is this. And you can buy the cheap set, you can buy just this tool, whatever. This is a fantastic set. I've used it. I try and take care of it. It's not very well marked up, but this is from Harbor Freight. I don't remember. Could be 30, could be 50 bucks, but it's worth its weight in gold. And I'll show you how it works. Can't really do it one-handed, but I'll get you the idea. If you're not familiar with air conditioning, these are I don't know, quick disconnects or whatever. This tube ends down in here, and there's 3 seals, and there's a spring coupler in here. And what you do is you're going to clamp this on here, and you're going to squeeze. I guess we can simulate here. You're going to push it up against this and then squeeze, and when you feel it, I wiggle them back and forth. I'll spray some WD-40 on there so it really gets in under that spring a little easier. And you're going to squeeze it and pull on the hose at the same time, and that'll come out. Sometimes you got to wiggle them loose, whatever. Not a big deal, but a great tool set to have. Very worthwhile the investment. I know everybody hates Harbor Freight, but I love them because I don't abuse the tools. And because I don't abuse my Harbor Freight tools, they work and they last a long time. Can't recall a tool that I've broken from Harbor Freight because, well, just because. I've broken a couple because I was abusing them and not using them per, I don't know, the directions. But anyway, great little set to have. These ones do the same job in a kind of a little bit different way. This is going to be for fuel line disconnects. I know this is the tool I bought to use on Ford, on my Grand Marquis. Probably works on other Ford models. This is the same idea. You're going to push it in and it's going to release. So hope that helps somebody. I give this tool a thumbs up. Highly recommend it. Well worth the investment. Go buy one, enjoy it, do your thing.